Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the basics regarding the display and formatting of HTML. So once you are executing a HTML program and you're visually seeing the output means it will not be constant for all screens because if you are resizing the screen or you're visually seeing an output in one device with a large screen and another device with a small screen, the output will be varying because automatically the results will be resized. So, and one more thing, I'll show this with an example, then we'll move to the next line. So, this is an example program. So, here is my code. I'll be explaining this example program in the next video. I'll be explaining the tags. So, just now I want to show the output. So, look at this paragraph. So, now it is like this, right? Two lines are there in this paragraph. Just look at this paragraph alone. Now I am resizing this paragraph. See, it has changed to 3 lines. I am still resizing it. See, the number of words in each lines are getting changed. So the output of the HTML code will be changing based on the screen size. So if you are opening in a mobile device, then the output will be somewhat different. Based on the screen size, the output will be varying. This you have to know. The next one is, this is my code. Here I have left many lines, empty white spaces and lines. So though you are leaving many lines, all the new lines will be counted as single line. Likewise, all the white spaces will be counted as single space. So extra lines and extra spaces will be discarded. It will be counted as a single one, and extra spaces and lines will be removed by the browser while it is displaying the result. So this you have to know this point. The next point is, there is a default display value for each types of tags. So there are two types of display values, block level and inline value. So based on that, we are having block level elements and inline elements. So here are the list of tags. So we'll be learning all these tags one by one. So at the end of the playlist, after seeing all the videos, you again come back to this video and you just have a glimpse of this tags. So these are block level elements, these are inline elements, like that you have a glimpse. So now we will see what is this block level element and what is this inline element. So block level element will be spanning the entire space of the output screen. Always it will start with the new line character. That is, from the fresh line only it will be starting to display the output, and it will be spanning the full width of the available window. So it will be leaving some margin space in the starting and ending. So that is called as block level element. Inline element means it will not start in a new line. It will be taking only the necessary space. Extra spaces and all it will not take, and it will not span the entire width of the display. Only the required space it will be taking. So this is the difference between this block level and inline. We'll see an example for clear understanding. So here I'm having an example. So look at this example. So this horizontal rule line is an example for block level element. Paragraph is also an example for block level element. It is always starting in a new line. Then the entire screen width is taken by this element. Whereas this image is an inline element. See, here after the text content I have displayed the image. It is not taking new line. It is continuing with this paragraph. So this image is an example for inline element. Also, it is not taking the full width, right? Only the required necessary space it is taking. Whereas this paragraphs and this horizontal lines and all, it is spanning from this end to this end. So block elements will be spanning the entire width. It will be starting from new line character, whereas inline element will not start from new line character. It will be continuing, and it will not take full width. Only the necessary width it will be taking. So this is the difference between block level element and inline element. So while you are learning tags, you have to know whether it is block level or inline. Based on that only you'll be getting the output like that. You have to know. The next one is formatting. So HTML formatting is not mandatory at all. So as I told, white spaces and extra spaces and all will be ignored. It will not be taken into account. It will be counted as one single space or one single line only. But if you are leaving sufficient new lines and sufficient spaces while typing your code, your readability will be increased. Suppose you are getting any bug, means debugging process will be very easy. So bug fixing will be very easy if you are using sufficient new lines, indentations and all you are leaving in a proper way, means it will be easy. So yesterday we saw the first program, no? So in that I have left indentations as well as white spaces. So see, like this I have written. So the legibility and readability of the code will be very much good. So this is another program. Here I have not done indentation, but every tags I'm starting in the new line. I'm wherever spaces and new lines are required, meaningfully I have left, so that the readability is better. So there is no mandatory formatting for HTML, but to have good readability of your code and to improve the or to facilitate the debugging process, you can do proper indentations and formattings. So you have to know about this display and formatting basics. Then only we'll be able to learn the tags correctly. So in the next video, we'll be seeing the basic tags. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. Thank you.